There's a lot of confusion about travel insurance. Do you need it? What does it cover? Do your existing policies already cover trip-related risks? How do you get the best price? Here are the main things you need to know about travel insurance. First of all, what is it? Travel insurance includes a variety of different kinds of policies, each for a different purpose. These include worldwide medical care, dental care, accidental death or dismemberment, identity theft, trip cancellation or interruption, rental car collisions, and loss or theft of personal belongings. How do you know if you need it? Here are 3 of the most important types of questions to ask. First, ask your health and life insurance representative. What, if any, coverage you have applies while traveling overseas? Many people find that their health insurance provider offers little to no coverage outside the United States. Costs outside of the US can get out of control easily. Does your trip put you at a real risk of injury? Could you pay the cost if you have to be airlifted off a mountain, stay for several days in a foreign hospital, or be flown home on a medical flight because of serious sickness or injury? Most health insurance policies don't cover the cost of medical transportation back home. For example, a medical flight could cost $75,000 or more, and the cost of repatriation in the event of death averages $25,000. You should also note that if you're hospitalized overseas, many hospitals in other countries will not allow you to leave or return your passport to you until your bill is settled. Secondly, ask your homeowner's insurance representatives what coverage you have for loss or theft of personal belongings while traveling overseas. Ask your auto insurance representative if collision coverage applies when you rent a car, and if so, if overseas. Some credit card companies offer limited coverage for some of these risks as well, but you should find out what the conditions are. Thirdly, how able are you to absorb the cost of a change of plans? Trip cancellation and interruption coverage will help cover the cost of non-refundable portions of travel arrangements. Many unforeseen events could cut your trip short or unexpectedly prolong it. Canceling prepaid travel arrangements can be extremely costly. These are just a few of the many things to think about when deciding whether to purchase insurance for your overseas trip. The cost of travel insurance is minimal compared to the potential costly dangers of international travel. Because of this, many travelers choose to purchase a travel insurance package simply to cover any of the numerous potential gaps that their existing policies have when going overseas. With so many forms of travel insurance to choose from, why not get advice from someone that specializes in travel insurance? Mike Crowston and his team at allaboardbenefits.com have been in the travel insurance business for decades and would be happy to help you get the right package based on your individual situation. Call All Aboard Benefits today to get advice and a free quote at 800-462-2322, or visit the link below for an online, no obligation quote.